Sudrang, rail have become totally parentless. Only you can see railway at the time of inauguration. So many talking points and so many beautification of words, and just like it's a fashion, but they don't take care about the passenger amenity. I'm sorry, I worked as a railway worker, so I know the things. Even they are not taking care for the railway officials, railway engineers, railway technical staff, safety security officials, and the workers also. They are also in problem. Their old pension is been withdrawn. Whatever I have seen through the newspaper. But totally, I am totally with the railway employees and railway officials. They are trying their best, but this government is careful only to take so many measures about the election, how to go for hacking, how to go for manipulation, how to go for rig the election, and if the number one is the party to it. I'm not only telling the government who are the organizer, then where the country will go. Is it not the mockery? I think they should give more time for the governance, not for utterance. Thank you so much.
लगातार एक के बाद एक ऐसे हृदय विदारक हादसों की एक लिस्ट बन गई है। कोरमंडल एक्सप्रेस उसमें थोड़े वक्त पहले ही हुआ था, लेकिन कोई पाठ सीखा हो सरकार ने, विभाग ने, मंत्री ने या मंत्रालय ने, वो देखने को नहीं मिलता। वही गैर जिम्मेदाराना बातें, वही गैर जिम्मेदाराना हरकतें। अब वहां जा रहे हैं मंत्री तो उसकी रील बनाएंगे और उसमें वाहवाही बटोरेंगे। अरे साहब, हम उस पार्टी से हैं जहां के मंत्री इस्तीफा दे देते थे जब रेल दुर्घटना होती थी। हमने वैसे उदाहरण दिए हैं इस देश को। आप वहां जाकर भी तालियां बटोर रहे हो, चैनल्स को फ्लैश हो रहा है, साहब मंत्री जा रहे हैं वहां, और चैनल्स तारीफ कर रहे हैं कि अरे मंत्री वहां जा रहे हैं। ये तो मतलब आपका एक ड्यूटी है, छोटी सी बात है, जा रहे हो, अच्छी बात है, जाना चाहिए, लेकिन ये हो क्यों रहा है दुर्घटना? इस पे जवाब कौन देगा? इसकी जवाबदेही कौन फिक्स करेगा?
It is very unfortunate to note that the local MP, Mr. Raju Vista, he even doesn't know the name of the train which has met with this accident. It is once again very unfortunate to note that the railway ticket price has gone up. Rail is being privatized. Several parts of this rail department are being sold to several private sectors. On the contrary, when Mamata Banerjee used to be the railway minister, perhaps she is the best railway minister in this century. Without increasing the rail fare by a single penny, she brought so many projects, and this anti-collision device, which was the brainchild of Madam Mamata Banerjee, has not yet been implemented by the present railway department. So the responsibility has to be taken by the railway department and the rail minister. And once again, I suggest that present rail minister should take a class from the best railway minister in the century, Madam Mamata Banerjee, how to run the rail department properly and perfectly.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.